For sure, this is a really beautiful place for you to have for Sunday holidays, especially with your families. You can bring your kids here and have a jogging. It's really beautiful. It's difficult. It's not easy to have such a big garden in a city like DongGuang, because economic is always go the first. Oh, you can see there are so many camping here. A very big camping site. Camping go fashion these 2 years. I'm not sure if it is still so popular now, but we can see so many tents here. Maybe many people still like to camp outside for their holidays. But I think there should be too many mosquitoes. It's a wetland garden, so you can see waters everywhere. Not far away is another construction site for house building. An apartment for a life is the dream of every Chinese people. But to be frank, it's truly too expensive for ordinary people. So just have a look. There should be a new department over just just beside this beautiful garden. I think the cost of the apartment would be crazy too. Beautiful. I think I will have a wonderful Sunday for today. Wish you all to have a wonderful Sunday holiday too. Just enjoy your life.